Here I have ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the about device section, and here you have to find the line build number and tap on it with your finger several times until you get the message you are now a developer. And now you can find developer options in the system section, and here they are. All of our super interesting and super useful developer options. Grant access to them and get to know with them by yourself. You can also disable them here, and after that they will disappear from the settings list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.